I've got these two winter shovels, and I know what you're saying, that's not a shovel, it's a one-man plow, but still, this is what I use to shovel. The problem here is you can see right there in the corners, it's non-existent from riding on the gravel, the asphalt, whatever the hell it rides on. So I am going to fix this shit up. This one's not so bad, it's just starting on this one here, and this one still has the metal edge on it too. Fancy. And it's, you know, they start to wear through. You can see here these lighter spots. This is where the plastic is getting worn from riding on the driveway. Now this thing here, this is technically a drywall sander. You can see it says P120 there. That's the grit. So I'm just going to use this as mesh to put right there to hold on to some fiberglass and make this job a little bit easier. Alright, I got two of these little strips cut, and I'm just going to tack them right in there with some of that fiberglass for now, just to hold them in place and let that dry for coat number one. Get it going. Alright, phase one complete. You can see that I've got this mesh tacked in there with some of that fiberglass shit. That stuff dries quicker than shit. Let me tell you what, you got no time to work with this stuff. So I'm going to let this dry or cure a little bit more before I go over it with another coat. Here we go. I brought it out into the barn so that I could sand these spots down. I started doing that one just a little bit by hand. But you can see that it clearly worked to fill the holes. So I'm going to give this a good old sanding because it is rough, baby. But we'll see how this comes out. Not half bad, I'd say. I'm gonna put one more coat on this, I think, just to smooth it out and fill all the gaps and everything, and call it good. Well, then I'll have to sand it again, but and then I have to fix the little weak spots down here. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, buddy. Brand new shovel soon. Hell yes, I got a brand new shovel. Look at that shit. Oh yeah, baby, that is fucking not going anywhere. There are no more holes in the corner of this shovel. Strong as shit. I still have to sand it down one more time, but that's looking good. I'm gonna call that a win, baby, right there, yeah. And I think I still got enough left in that little can to do these corners on this shovel too, so maybe we'll fix both these fuckers for 20 bucks. Well, there you have it, ladies and gents. Ballin' on a budget. Just look at that shit. Yeah, it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be fixed. And that is 110% fucking fixed. Oh yeah, no more gaping holes. This is going to be able to plow some fucking snow again this winter. Ah, my goodness. It's just more material to wear off on the driveway. That's all I needed. I even got this one well on its way. Yep, the other one is getting fixed as well. I got just enough to go over these little patches again and make them fucking perfect. Yeah, buddy.